Here's another little project for the bench on a wet Sunday afternoon. I don't know if you recall seeing this bike, but it's a 1977 Triumph Bonneville. It belongs to a friend of mine, Frank, and I've had it in the garage a little longer than I should have. Frank wants to repaint this gas tank, but I think that it can be brought back to life a little bit. There are a few blemishes, as you can see, but I'm going to try and reclaim it a little bit with some buffing on the bench. I just love these teardrop tanks, these American tanks. I always remember these when I was a kid, as opposed to the kind of squarish, blocky tanks that we had in the UK. But this is a beautiful tank, and just from a few feet away, it looks awesome. But as you get closer, you'll see there are quite a few blemishes that I'm hoping to rub out. I'll give it a good wash first of all, and then I'll take the rubbing compound to the tank very carefully, obviously, and see if we can bring some of that colour out of the tank, just to kind of paint a story and see if we can avoid having to repaint this bike. So it's not going to be a show bike. In fact, I think he's wanting to sell it at some point. So we'll see what this comes up like. Here are the petcocks after 20 minutes in the ultrasonic cleaner, and they look great. They came out really well. And here's the tank. You know, it's not perfect, but it's significantly better than what it was. I'm happy how it came out. Some of the blemishes I thought maybe would have come out, but they didn't. But this is the worst side as well. But overall, it's much better than it was. It's got that patina. Right down here on the side panels, they're much better. But this centre panel is still a little rough, unfortunately. I might do a little bit more polishing. And this is definitely the better side. The side panels came up very well, and that white panel is also much nicer than on the other side. So that's it for now, guys, with this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Speak to you again soon.